Okay guys, so welcome to Gear Moto, and yeah, please like and subscribe. So in this video, we're going to talk about what caused the check engine light to turn on our motorcycle, the Mio Gear S. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I drained the battery of the Mio Gear S, right? So what happened is I turned on the stop and start system. The motorcycle is not running, so I turned it on, but I didn't start it. I turned on the stop and start system. I turned on the caution lights. I even charged my phone, yeah, for 1 hour, more than an hour, and then I charged my wireless earphone for 20 minutes, and then the battery got completely drained. So I went to the Yamaha service center to have it checked today. They checked the system, or the computer box. I'm not really sure what they call it. So they checked it and they found 3 errors. Okay, so the first one is the engine won't start. The second one is the stop and start system is malfunctioning, and then the other one, I'm not sure, but I think it's the caution. Yeah, I think it's the caution. So I think those are the reasons why my check engine light was on. So what they did is they just reset it. They deleted the errors, and voila, it is fixed.
Wow!
So
Congratulations!
yeah, so just in case you also have this problem, think what happened. Why did the check engine light turn on? So maybe it is something that you did. For example, the battery got drained. So if the battery got drained, it will most of the time, the mechanic told me that most of the time the check engine light will turn on if the battery got drained completely. So yeah, in my case, I was able to turn it on because of the Kickstarter. Mio Gear has 2 start systems. So first one is the electric start, and the second one is the kickstart. So I was able to ride it or start it because of the Kickstarter. So everything is fixed now. So that's what really caused it. If you know what caused it, you can tell it to the mechanic so that they also know what happened. And if that's the case, we can just reset it. So that's what happened.